Chatong Tangbo, Suri Duji Lobdane, Chulin Pomose, Janachi, Zimbur Nongo, Torona.
Changma latashile Shakar tembe tsuken Sansum pengi jajin Kaze yonzi rinpoche la Kosum kupa chimbu kucha ondo tangne Terenki zego sangpo di toto pepe Kuten yong la Nge ngarsol sori bumshi kelop yongi Tsap shude Tsamji tashi dele shugyu dan ta Tering tashi pe nima, tendu pe nima, pensum so pe nima thila, namla nida karsum sang, sala duche ki bado, bado lami tarishi, kebado tumba pensum sopa, sangsum pengi jojin, saden pemba yongi tsukin, kapje yonjin na we wangpo chodang, kor pensum sopa, kapne kedun semba kyachotang. Teden sekya namba, ne pensum chopa, kyawe lungi simba, ne chen papa shingungi nyedam, pengi tensa chenbo, balden chiten nobuze, ka pensum chopa, namke temba shenrab ki songdang, kyuzen pemba yongi pengi soda, ngosu tava, tui pensum chopa, rancha namki medo kanla pope lakal, Kapze yonzi na we senge konglo kyala pepe kyatuen zego dang tensa chenbo palden chite nobu ze tsukla kang sawe uji zoke kasan ter kawe lo dang kipe choi tuchen suwe zerim thokma di nge ngarsol sori bumshi lopta la papani nga chwe sonam na tendel shindu lekpe ziyo la tete kasan ki nimo ter nga chola Tona sepe mepe chodang, lana jotha mepe lu. Dona lugar ki rutal tikbe kyucho ne, nge sori bumshi lupru chwe, chule pumo shepe chokar shik, sikbul shugyo in la, nga che chule pumo shepe chokar di, thongmar thapko be gyumsen ni, nga cho peki losar tseshi ki shokpa, karshu lempe tendel sangpo tsiwe luksol yo la, 대신 람라 점포 조에 컵 추som 추이 karpa thukna tendel sisol yo patar kebardu terenki dui sangbodir chule phome thoga dinni kyapje yonje rimboche kuse chule ringwar thang jetin kyacho tar kepe tendeldu kyache singmo wa yongla chopa phwa langna thachung gi mi khadwendang nyempa nawe thuchiru Gyuwe mendo yang shugyu tashi delexu. So to all the foreigner friends who are presented here, I would like to give us short information about our song. So today's our song is named as Shulen Pomo in Tibetan. So in English it is named as Water Woman. So in our Tibetan culture and Himalayan culture, this song Shulen Pomo is considered as during the Losar, from a house, one individual should wake up early in the morning and go to the tap and fill up the first morning water, and the one who fills up the first water is considered as the good fortunated and good luck individual. So as today's ceremony, our song is the first one to show all of you. So, as the good fortunate person, us ourselves, under the guidance of our Rinpoche, this song is dedicated to offer our Rinpoche and all our audience here who are presented So I wish you will enjoy this song, and may our Rinpoche live a long life as the water which have no boundaries, and also his teachings and blessings spread all over the country as the ocean which is spread highly. Thank you so much. Enjoy.
someday.